hot pepper in here. Some hot spicy pepper. Not the seeds. And some thyme, herbal thyme. Cover it up and blend it. You're watching Iron. On the YouTube platform. Today's recipe in my cooking lab is pork with pork loins. Yes, pork loins. Can fry low while I use the sauce. Okay, I'm going to add some vinegar. Yes, I'm going to add some vinegar in here as well because it's pork. Yes, put some vinegar. Add some black pepper. Yes, even though I already had black pepper in it, but I'm just going to put some more. And some more Maggi. This is the final stage. We'll be adding anything more in it. Yes. And some all-purpose as well. I'm going to add in here. Alright, so you're watching Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. You're in my cooking lab. Special sauce for my that's the pork loins. So now the sauce is already prepared in the blender. So now I'm going to add the sauce to the oil. Alright, so I'm going to put that is all the onions, bell pepper, garlic, scallion, tomatoes. Yes. Now I'm going to add some ketchup in it to change the complexity of the dimension. So I'm going to put some ketchup in it. Yes. Alright, so this has vinegar. This has garlic, onion, scallion, hot pepper, bell peppers, tomatoes, everything. You're watching Winston GeL again, day 3-2 on YouTube. Add some liquid. It's flavored liquid. This is beef. They don't have pork, so I'm using beef. So I'm going to allow this to You're watching. I'm Winston GeL cooking 3-2. Here again, my cooking ad. That's not true. Add some cheese in there. Add lots of cheese in here. Alright. Winston GeL cooking. 832 on YouTube. Once the pork is cooked, once I'm convinced the pork is cooked, I won't add my cheese. Bye.